Smart link, the smartest way to monetize every single visitor on your website. So what exactly is a smart link? A smart link is one of the most reliable ad formats in AdsBitvex. It's a single, powerful URL that automatically sends every visitor to the highest paying offer in real time. Here's how it works. When a user clicks your smart link, our intelligence system instantly detects their country, their device, and their interest. Then, it routes them to the best matching, most profitable offer. You earn on every single click, converted into real, reliable revenue. Creating your smart link is incredibly simple. Step 1. Go to AdsBitvex.com and open your publisher account. Step 2. Verify your website domain in just seconds. Step 3. Create your smart link directly from the dashboard. Step 4. Share it on your site, your blog, your social media, anywhere. And watch your earnings grow automatically around the clock. Smart Link by AdsBitvex. One link, endless revenue.